Okie dokie. Now, oh, come on. Don't be a problem. Don't be a problem. Autofocus. Oh, okay. I've taken the clip off for a dual sidebar lock. It shouldn't affect picking, because this lock is a hassle to get apart. This is an EVVA Dual, discontinued in favor of the EVVA ICS, I believe, which is a lot like this, but with 3 little pins on the top, which don't really do a whole lot, besides maybe key control. There we go. I think one of the reasons why not a shame these are discontinued is because they really, you know, I've seen a couple and they're just kind of nightmares to gut. Oopsie doodle, that's upside down. All right. That was slider 1. This one is mastered, not this particular slider, but you'll see some mastering of the sliders in here. So let's maybe get those sidebars out first. See how the sidebar with little notches and the springs. Sidebar 2, notches, springs. Okay, let's continue getting these sliders out. This lock is very used, so it's kind of rough. Here you can see the typical sort of false gates. They're a little wider than the true gates, at least the non-master true gates. And they're pretty evil. This is a pretty good high precision lock, I believe, and so setting one slider will tend to drop other ones. This one appears to have multiple true gates. So it's a mastered position. Pardon me. This one as well, I believe. I don't really know what the masters look like for sure, but it looks like multiple gates. So this one maybe. Pardon me. That one also maybe. This thing again, like, just mastered all the hex. Still not free from challenge. It wasn't a gimme. I thought it was going to be at first, because I could feel things starting to set right away. But then you get into a lot of the ping-ponging and awful times. Still, we see false gates on the mastered sliders, so there's plenty of places to get caught. I think that's just a sort of a wide gate on that one. But still with false gates above and below it. The false gates also like to sort of, you know, trap things if you go above them, but again, this lock likes to drop so many things. It's a hassle. So even though this is an easy version of this lock, perhaps it was still sort of an annoyance to get a lot of that picked. So I was using 2 tensioners, so I was having a hard time, and I decided to float pick the thing because I was having such a hard time dropping things and getting a tensioner to fit into the keyway really tightly to control the core movement, the plug movement. I don't know why this, oh well, this thing is ribbed, I guess, so that these sliders sometimes when in position will poke above or below sort of the flat line that this makes. So those probably help it rotate, but also that makes it really hard to get the lock in and out. What a pain. Zoom in maybe on some of this stuff. There it is. EVVA Dual, heavily mastered, 12 sliders of pain, set of 6 matching a sidebar. And again, there it is.